She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lawtis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This next strategy is for sensory defensive kids and helping them manage the bath. This is one video in a series of videos, so please look through all the strategies and see which one makes the most sense for your child. This strategy is called the pet strategy. Sometimes pets have a very relaxing or distracting presence for kids. So if you have a child who is terrified of the bath, and you have a pet that loves water and is pretty calm in water, you can entice your child into getting more desensitized in the tub space, or potentially if you live in a warm climate and it's pool appropriate season and you have a little bathing suit in your child, you could try this one in a kiddie pool as well. But the idea is that your child is going to be doing a job and helping wash the pet. So while they are in the tub or in the pool with the pet, they are getting more and more acclimated to the feel of water. So the idea is that they have a little job, and this is a strategy to help get them comfortable in the tub space, comfortable with the feel of water. This is a fun strategy if it's something that you can do, and for some kids it just moves them right over the hump. So the pet strategy might be good for you. If not, please take a look at all the other strategies in this video series. Thank you.
Boots, last a slow dance to some old school